Hey guys, haven't made a video for a while. I'm just got off of where I live. I'm gonna go get something. So I was at a lot of people ask what's the best exhaust setup for your Focus ST. A lot of people don't like like drone. So this video is about how to reduce drone, and I will explain how you could do it. So number one, how to reduce drone, and how some like exhaust notes is just doing exhaust. That's it. Like obviously, just doing exhaust. That's all I can tell you. Like don't do a downpipe. But you're like, screw you, man. Your opinion don't matter. Oh, I got some opinions you guys might like. This is the 3 exhaust setup that I know that could that you won't have a lot of engine drone, because I don't get engine drone often with my exhaust setup. So number one will have to be either a Borla Mountain or Ford Performance of the same brand exhaust. For sure, that does reduce a lot of exhaust note with the catted downpipe. This has to be with the catted downpipe. I would recommend this callus, because this video is about how to not have engine drone. So no callus on this video, alright guys? But yeah, that's number one. Number two, I really recommend the engine exhaust. That's why, guys, it's pretty pricey, but it's worth it. No bullshit. I recommend the exhaust I have. I like it because I make enough power. It's not that loud. I mean, I have a good exhaust setup. In my opinion, I got it. That's mine right there. And number three will have to be thermal R&D. I really want to get one, but I didn't like the tip of how it looks. It looked weird for me. But a lot of people say it has less drone. And honorable mentions will have to be MBRP. People say they don't get that much drone. Don't have experience, but I wouldn't buy it just because MBRP is not a really good brand. For my opinion, I prefer not to buy it just because their quality doesn't sound great. And, if you're gonna spend money, might as well spend the extra money and buy a better exhaust setup. And then number 5, a lot of people don't know about this brand. Like, they make exhaust for the Focus ST. It have to be Greddy Supreme exhaust. That exhaust, I heard it sounds really beautiful. But in my opinion, if you don't really want to know, drone is, just do an exhaust. That's it. 3-inch exhaust. Make sure it's not, and make sure it has resonators, because resonators are important. Resonators reduces drones. So like my exhaust, it has 2 resonators, and I think I'm gonna do a muffler. It's not like a hard muffler, but I'm gonna add a slightly small muffler. And I don't know. I mean, it's kind of drone. It's not bad, but it could be worse. I've seen other exhausts that are worse. But this is my opinion. The best exhaust setup, while drone. Let's recap again. Number 1, obviously exhaust, no downpipe. Then after that, we went with the 3 exhaust setups. In my opinion, is the best. 2.5 inches exhaust. So Megan Flow. I forgot about that brand. Megan Flow is the best. It has really, really low exhaust drone. Yes. All right. Sorry about that. Number 1, Borla /Ford /Mountain exhaust. Number 2, engine exhaust. Number 3, Greddy Supreme with the catted downpipe. This is all catted downpipe, guys. Like I said, my videos are not that long. I don't like making my videos long, pointless, and asking. I get straight to the point. Like, subscribe, and share about this video. Make more videos that I search up before, where I got to. So, I mean, give me a like, subscribe, and that'll help me out. And if you guys have any ideas about what I give, about anything like best intakes, best intercoolers, I'll do a video about it, and then we'll go from there. I mean, until I own this car, I'm gonna keep making videos. But I don't think I'm ever gonna sell this car for a while. But the next car I plan to get is definitely a Mustang. I'm loving the new V8s. But yeah, guys, catch you guys later. Peace out.